Ready for adventure? Dive into the top day trips from Pune and explore beautiful landscapes, historic destinations and outdoor activity.
Remember that you have the links to all the activities in the description.
Our comprehensive tour encompasses 7 to 8 key destinations, featuring prominent historical sites, religious structures, bustling markets, and educational institutions. Throughout our journey, visitors will delve into the distinct character of the city, exploring its rich cultural tapestry through engaging lectures from knowledgeable local guides, who will offer insightful commentary on traditional practices and customs. Embark on an enriching exploration of Pune's rich history and culture during this exclusive guided walking tour, conducted by a seasoned local expert. Within 3 hours, visitors traverse through 7 distinct locations, each offering a unique insight into the city's storied past and cultural heritage. Embark on an enlightening half-day city tour of Pune, a metropolis where the past and future intertwine harmoniously. This excursion provides a concise yet profound overview of the city's extensive tapestry of history, culture, and modernity. Day trip from Pune to New Delhi and Agra. Starting your day from New Airport Road, Pune International Airport Area, Lalgaon, Pune, Maharashtra. 41132, India. Your tour begins with a pickup service from your designated hotel or meeting point in Pune. On this guided city tour, visitors can experience the top highlights of Pune in just half a day, while indulging in delectable treats. Begin your journey at the Aga Khan Palace, which, built in 1892, serves as a fascinating site due to its role as a prison for Mahatma Gandhi and his wife during the Indian independence movement. Embark on an enriching exploration of Pune, starting with a seamless transfer from your accommodation to Shanawar Wada Fort via a locally renowned tuk-tuk. This iconic historical site served as the administrative heart of the Maratha Empire until 1818, offering visitors an opportunity to delve into its rich history and cultural significance.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more content like this.